Ever wondered if $100 is enough to play blackjack at a casino without busting in 10 minutes? Stick around, because I'll show you how to stretch that $100 the smart way, with real strategies that can actually keep you playing longer and maybe even walking away ahead. Oh, and hit that subscribe button if you want more real no-frills gambling tips. Blackjack is a game where, if played with perfect basic strategy, the house edge is roughly 0.5% to 1%, depending on the rules. With a $100 bankroll, you're seriously underfunded if you're betting big. Casinos generally recommend a bankroll of 50 to 100 times your bet size for session play. With $100, you should be betting $5 to $10 max per hand, otherwise your risk of ruin skyrockets. Most casinos have $5 minimum tables, some might have 10. Here's a tip: look for 6-deck shoe games with favorable rules like dealer stands on soft 17, doubling after splits allowed, and blackjack pays 3 to 2. Definitely avoid those 6 to 5 tables. With $100, your goal isn't to get rich. It's to maximize your playtime, enjoy comp drinks, and survive variance. You should expect a normal session to have swings. You might be up $50 or down $60 pretty quickly. Flat betting means making the same bet every hand, like $5 per hand. This keeps your bankroll safer. If you lose 10 hands in a row, you're only down $50. Use a basic strategy chart tailored to the number of decks and rules. For example, always split aces and eights, never split 5s or 10s, and double down on 11 versus dealer 2 through 10. Online simulators prove this reduces the house edge to the minimum possible. Systems like Martingale, where you double after a loss, are way too risky on $100. A safer progression is the Paroli system. Increase your bet after wins, reset after a loss. Even then, use caution. Your bankroll is thin. Okay, so here's a big one. Set a loss limit. For example, if you're down $50, just walk away. And set a win goal too. Say you're up $30 or even $50, that's a great time to cash out. So, with $100, you won't break the bank, but you can definitely break the boredom. Play smart, bet low, and, just enjoy the ride. Got your own blackjack hacks for a small bankroll? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear what works for you. And hey, if this helped, don't just stand on it. Hit that like button and subscribe for more sharp gambling tips.